Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Chili's menu caters to a variety of tastes. You can start your meal with delicious appetizers like the classic nachos, loaded with cheese and Galapagos, or the southwestern egg rolls filled with chicken, black beans, and corn. For those who enjoy wings, Chili's offers several options, including boneless buffalo wings and the wings sampler. If you're in the mood for a hearty salad or sandwich, Chili's has you covered. The quesadilla explosion salad and the buffalo chicken ranch sandwich are both popular choices. Their big mouth burgers, like the mushroom Swiss burger and the southern smokehouse burger, are perfect for those who crave a juicy, flavorful burger. Must-try items of Chili's menu: baby back ribs, tender pork ribs glazed with Chili's signature barbecue sauce, big mouth burger bites, mini burgers served with fries or onion rings, crispy chicken crispers, crispy breaded chicken tenders served with honey mustard dressing, quesadillas, grilled tortillas filled with cheese, onions, and your choice of meat. Southwestern egg rolls, crispy flour tortillas filled with chicken, black beans, corn, Galapagos, cheese, and spices. Presidente Margarita, Chili's signature margarita made with premium tequila and Grand Marnier. Buffalo chicken ranch sandwich, grilled chicken breast basted with spicy buffalo wing sauce, topped with ranch dressing. A culture of belonging, as food on our menu comes in all shapes, sizes, and flavors. No two team members are the same, and that's the way we like it. It's quite simple. We believe a culture of belonging is good for team members, guests, and the communities we serve. We welcome those of all genders, races, ethnicities, sexual orientations, abilities, religions, age, and backgrounds. We celebrate these differences through a culture of belonging where individual strengths and stories are respected and valued. We're proud to be a community-oriented meeting place and want everyone to feel welcome at Chili's. Our cultural beliefs. We're in the business of making everyone feel special. In everything we do, we have to ask ourselves if we're putting the guest first and making sure they'll come back for more. Our cultural beliefs bring that passion to life and shape who we are as a company and as the people who live and breathe inside of it. We're more than mere transactions. We're people connecting with people. If our beliefs are strong, our actions will match. And that's how we create memorable experiences and real results.
Carlo will get. Let's get the tostada chips and salsa. What on this? For you.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
How's the taste? Delicious? Smile sa pan.
Mom, do you want to give that some? No, just
Please do watch our other food crawl series.
After shrimp. And squid. How's the calamari? It's calamari.
It's yummy. It's yummy. Kaya lang I like it. Triple store
Thank you for watching.
Take out.